Hi guys, this is Servan. In this video, we will talk about planning poker effort estimation technique in software development and maintenance. So we will also talk about what is effort estimation, what are the effort estimation techniques, and in particular planning poker technique in detail. So what is effort estimation? Effort estimation is basically by definition the process of forecasting how much an effort it will take to complete a particular task. Traditionally, effort estimation has been done in hours, days, or months. If you ask a project manager or a delivery manager in the software industry to give you estimation for a project, he will use some estimation technique and calculate the effort and come back and tell you it will take 300 days or 400 days or whatever it is. Effort estimation helps to make sure that your forecast of the effort is close to the actual effort. There are various effort estimation techniques. Functional points used to be one of the techniques. In the Agile world, people use story points and also t-shirt size estimation and also planning poker. To know more about story points and t-shirt size estimation, please check my video on T-size estimation. Link is given in the description for your reference. So what is planning poker? Let us jump into that. Planning poker is a consensus-based relative estimation technique. Planning poker is also known as scrum poker or point poker. Planning poker got its name because the team does the estimation by playing cards. Let us look into how the process works. So the product owner explains the requirement to the team. Each member will be given a set of cards with numbers written on each card. That number will be based on Fibonacci series. We will look into that little bit later. So basically, the team will understand the requirement and do some estimation individually and pick up a card which represents their estimated effort. That number can represent days or story points. After each team member is done with the estimation, everyone will turn the card and show. So if all the team members have estimated with the same number, the team agrees with that estimation and moves on. If there is a difference, drastic difference between the members, so the people who have extreme estimation will explain to the team, and if the team is convinced, and the team does the re-estimation and finally they agree on what is the estimation effort. In case the team has unknowns or the product owner is not clear about the requirement, or if the team feels that there is too much of complexity involved, then that particular requirement will be kept aside for further discussion in next meeting. In the estimation process in planning poker, there is no rule that majority should be taken care and the team should go with the majority. Even if 5 people say the estimated effort is 5 and one person says the effort is 13 and the person who says the estimated effort should be 13, if he is able to give a convincing answer like testing may require new framework to be developed or the automation effort may be much more, then the team agrees, then they will go ahead with that estimation. So basically, initially the team does the estimation and they pick up a card and they show it together. If there is a difference and mutually discuss and finally agree on a consensus and it is taken forward. If there is no consensus reached, then the particular card will be kept aside for further discussion. So each team member will be given a card with a number written on it that is based on Fibonacci series. We will talk about Fibonacci series in a separate video in detail. However, to know it basically, this starts with a 0 and it goes like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and so on. Basically, the one number will be the addition of two preceding numbers, like 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13, 8 plus 13 is 21 and so on. So for estimation purpose, generally the 0 will not be there. It will start from 1, 1, 2, 3. These are the numbers that will be written on individual cards for the members to choose. So based on whatever they estimate, they will pick up the card and show it as we saw earlier. This is how the planning poker process works. You may play the planning poker game in planningpoker.com website for free and give a try. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please share your comments and also subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and also press the bell icon if you want to get notification whenever I release my next video. Please let me know any topic that you would like me to make a video and share with you guys. This is Sarva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye bye.